Ever found yourself juggling too many ideas at once? Mind mapping offers a creative and powerful way to untangle those thoughts. It's more than just notes, it's an exploration. Welcome to Mind Mosaic, where we dive into the world of ideas today. We'll uncover the art and science of mind mapping. Mind mapping is like creating a visual brainstorm. Think of it as a diagram, where a central theme anchors your thoughts. From this center, ideas radiate outward in all directions, forming connections that give structure to chaos. To start your mind map, place your main idea in the center. From there, let your mind wander. Use branches, colors, symbols, and keywords to link concepts. This web of connections will help you retain information better and make sense of complex topics. So, why mind map? Whether you're taking notes, brainstorming for an essay, or solving problems, mind mapping helps you think more visually. It sparks creativity, promotes better understanding, and allows you to see the big picture at a glance. Here's how to build your mind map in 5 simple steps. Start with the central theme. Add branches to represent subtopics. Use colors to group similar ideas. Draw arrows to show relationships. And lastly, leave space. This will allow your ideas to expand over time. Mind mapping is not just for academics. It's for anyone looking to unlock their potential. Use it to brainstorm for your next project, organize your thoughts before an exam, or solve everyday problems. It's a flexible tool that fits into any kind of work. Think of mind mapping as a way to unlock new paths in your thinking process. Whether for learning, problem solving, or simply organizing ideas, it brings clarity to complex issues. And when you map your thoughts, you create your own mosaic of knowledge. Stay tuned for more videos on Mind Mosaic. Subscribe to explore ideas, knowledge, and the world around us.